Hey there and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm reviewing Clickup, one of the most popular project management tools available right now. It is especially loved for its free forever plan, which allows unlimited users, making it ideal for growing teams. So we are going to walk through everything you need to know, from setting up your workspace to exploring key features, and I will give you my honest option on whether ClickUp is worth your time in 2025 or not. So let's get started now. But before that, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So first of all, head over to clickup.com right here, as you can see. Now sign up with your email. Okay, wait until the page loads perfectly, and then here we go, we are in the ClickUp. Now choose what you are managing, for example marketing or product development. So optionally invite your team or integrate tools you are already using. You can use your Google Drive, spreadsheet, Dropbox, Figma, GitHub, and Todoist. Now you can give your workspace a name, like you can see like this. You can change it from the settings, and you can change the name of your workspace from here, and then you can save it. You can also use white label if you wish to, as you can see this one. You can choose it. Okay, so for now let's cut it. You can use it for your personal workspace if you wish to. Now let's say like you want to create a new workspace. Okay, so let's go to home. Now here you can see this option plus icon, tap on to create option. Now choose what you're managing, like this. You can choose your list, space or message, etc. Okay, you can also tap on to explore more, and then you can explore more. You can search templates for your team or your personal use. So let me search something for marketing. So there we go. Here you can see this. So let's tap onto it. Now we can simply tap on to use template at the top right corner here. Let's tap onto it. Now you can name your list name like line. So let's tap onto 90-day growth hack. Okay, now you can select a location from here, theme space, or you can customizely use it for personal list. Now you can import everything if you wish to. You can import your property files and settings, etc. So let's go to pictures, go to screenshot, let's choose one, and let me show you how you can do it. Okay, you can also remap dates if you wish to, and if you want to include archive task or not, you just have to choose it to it. Okay, you can also customize import items from here, and then you can tap on to use template, as you can see here. So let's tap on this project. Let's what should we do with it? You can duplicate it, you can archive it, you can move it if you wish to. As you can see, your creator messaging daily from here, you can customize them. For example, you want to change it from daily to weekly, you can change it if you want. Okay, also you can type or search add, then you can tap onto it. Okay, you can also add task if you wish to. You can add task or name from it. For example, viewers engagement, viewers. Okay, let me correct it. Viewers engagement. Let's tap enter. Okay, now let's say that you want to change it from this, you can change it from to do to in progress. Okay, also you can change other things from here. You can choose date, start or due date. You can use custom fields and all other things from here. You can, if you want, you can upload your files right from here. Simply tap onto this upload option, and you can upload files from your um, PC. You can upload files from Dropbox, OneDrive, and all other things like Google Drive, Google Docs box, etc. For now, I'm gonna upload with my file. So, example, I'm gonna choose this one. Wait, let me choose it again. Downloads, then let me choose this one. Okay. As you can see, this has been uploaded. So that's it. Now let's tap on to share. Okay, that's it. Okay, that was it. Now let me cut this one. So you can just check out all of this option like content planning. You can edit them if you wish to. You can edit their name. If you want to change, add extra options like sub contents, you can add them. Also, you can use this option which is called pin templates. You can pin a template from here if you wish to. And let me cut it for now. And you can see your follow-ups right from here, like your follow-ups, your posts, your replies, and all other things. Okay, you can send it to drafts and send easily. You can choose all of these options if you wish to, and that's it. This is how you can use it. You can add attachments to it. You can clear filters. So just check it out. You can check out your calendar, your best practices from here. Here you can see this, all of these things. Okay, you can also add page from here if you wish to. You can add channel also if you want. This is kind of like Discord in order to creating channels. Okay, you can add followers from if you wish to. You can import from Slack from here. You can use Slack, monday.com, Notion, etc. Okay, and then you have to tap continue. Okay, for me, I'm gonna go with the continue option. Then you have to log in using your domain address. You can also add tasks from here. You can see this option plus icon and just add task. You can add doc, reminder, whiteboard, dashboard, etc. Okay, so basically this is how you can use this site, clickup.com. So this was the review, and you can also check out the pricings right from here. Just tap onto this and then tap onto settings, and there you go. You can check up their projects. Let me show where is the upgrade plan from here. You can see, check out their upgrade plan also. So that's it for today, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more. Till then, take care, goodbye.